How can you divide with unit fractions and whole numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. A utility company is planning to install wind turbines on 4 square miles of land. Each turbine requires 1/6 square mile of land. How many turbines can be installed? Why do you need to divide to find the answer? You know the total area of the land, and you know how much land is needed for each wind turbine. Since each turbine needs the same amount of land, you can divide to find how many turbines will fit.
Model the problem with a picture or an equation to help you.
One way to find the answer is to use an area model to show 4 square miles. Divide each square mile into 6 equal parts to represent 1/6 square mile. Why is each square mile divided into 6 equal parts? To show sixths, you need to divide each whole into 6 equal parts. There are 4 wholes, so there are 24 parts. So 24 wind turbines will fit on the land. Another way to find the answer is to use a number line to show 4 wholes. How do you represent 4 divided by 1/6 on the number line? The number line shows 4 square miles, 4 wholes, and each square mile, 1 whole, is divided into 1/6. There are 6 1/6 in each whole. How many 1/6 are in 4 wholes?
Select your answer.
There are 24 1/6 in 4 wholes, so 24 wind turbines will fit on the land. Now you know how to divide with unit fractions and whole numbers.